Hi guys, I'm Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing one of the most requested videos so far. So 2 दिन पहले 59 apps from China got banned and I used to shop a lot from Shein. Now that it's banned, we have to respect our laws and our government. So I thought of finding different places for you guys so that we are in this together. Shein का एक चीज़ अच्छी थी, like we used to get affordable pieces. एक one stop destination बन जाती है ना, वो बन गया था. So मेरे को बहुत सारे messages वगैरह आ रहे थे. आधे से ज़्यादा लोग बोल रहे थे कि उन्होंने already वहाँ order place कर रखा है and they've paid for that. So उसका क्या होगा? Even I don't know and मुझे पता भी नहीं है मेरा order पहुँचने वाला है कि नहीं, क्योंकि आई थिंक मोर देन 10 days हो गए हैं उस चीज़ को और अभी तक तो नहीं आया है. बट मूविंग ऑन, उसके अलावा ये डीएम्स आ रहे थे कि वेयर टू शॉप फ्रॉम एंड अब शीन बैन हो गया, आप कहाँ से शॉपिंग करोगे. सो आई हैव 3 brands एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर इट विद यू. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I have one western wear, one Indian wear and one high-end brand. So I'll start with western wear. So I shopped from this brand called Eva Young. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So they have their website www.evayoung.com and मैंने इनको actually Facebook पे देखा था. उसके नीचे मैंने comments वगैरह जाके देखे तो reviews were really nice. Facebook पे बहुत सारी ads आती है but you have to be cautious because आधे से ज़्यादा कभी-कभी you place the order और वो order आता ही नहीं है. So मैंने इस पे रिव्यूज चेक करे थे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, थॉट चलो शॉप करते हैं, इसलिए मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं करा था. आई ओनली ऑर्डर 3 प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर. मैंने ऑर्डर करा था 20th जून को और ये ऑर्डर डिलीवर हुआ है ऑन 30th जून. सो 10 days लगे हैं उसमें. आई विल शो यू गाइज द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई हैव. ओह, एक तो पहना ही हुआ है मैंने. ये मेरे पहना हुआ है फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज द ड्रेस दैट आई गॉट, दिस फ्रिली ड्रेस. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट एंड जब मैंने देखा था ना, मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे उनके पेज पे जाके देखा था एंड आई सॉ दिस गर्ल वेयरिंग दिस ड्रेस एंड आई थॉट भाई ये तो आई हैव टू गेट दिस ड्रेस एंड इट्स सो फन, सो कलरफुल एंड डिफाइंस समर एंड द मटीरियल इज क्रेप. And also about the quality, I think the quality is pretty decent. मतलब जितना you're paying for the product, you get that and ऐसा कोई thin और घटिया quality नहीं है. I absolutely love the dress also. And the next product that I got is this crop top and it's very thick. ऐसा हल्का material नहीं है. The quality is really nice. Off shoulder है and yeah, I got this in black color. White color में भी available था but I have a similar top so I got it in black color. Really love the fit and the design of it. It's very simple and I actually posted a picture today. I'll keep it here on Instagram. So many of you loved it. That's that and do follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. Shameless plug-in. Last thing that I got from this brand is this cutesy skirt. When I was ordering this, थोड़ी सी cautious में थी before ordering. This was for 1000 rupees. Yeah, the material is nice. इतना thin नहीं है and sheer नहीं है. There's a lining inside also, which is always amazing and it fits really really well. I have a pear shape body so मैं जब skirts और lowers order कर रही होती हूँ तो I have to be a little cautious but I absolutely love this. I got all of the products in medium size if you're wondering. And about the prices, I think the prices are fine. It's not too cheap but it's not too expensive, like 1000 for a skirt. So the dress was for 1700 rupees and I think the prices are okay. It's pretty decent and I love everything that I got from there. Definitely yes, I'll definitely shop from there again. They have a lot of product, quirky stuff. They have that and they have lots of crop tops, skirts. You can check the brand. Moving on, this is a very special brand because मैंने इनके बारे में स्टोरी पढ़ी थी so I got more attached to the brand. Yeah, the brand is called Tavi and ये मिंत्रा का ब्रांड है but मिंत्रा ने NGOs वगैरह के साथ टाइप करा है कोलकाता और उड़ीसा के और उनके जो लोकल आर्टिजन्स हैं उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करके they are bringing the designs on Myntra which I think is amazing. ये इंडिपेंडेंट ब्रांड नहीं है but I think it's amazing what they're doing and I personally love Indian textiles and I think अभी हमारा यूथ सब हम भूल चुके हैं. वी आर सो इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय वेस्टर्न कल्चर दैट हम अपने प्रोडक्ट्स पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं जबकि देयर सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट इन इंडिया विच आर अमेजिंग एंड प्लस इंडियन टेक्सटाइल्स इज next level. I have a special place in my heart. I've always loved tie and dye. So I got this Bugru hand block wrap dress. Absolutely love this. It was for 2899 but मुझे सेल पे मिली थी I think for 1700 rupees. And wrap dress है which like it hugs your body at the right places and proper curves आते हैं and I think if you have a heavy bust तो अगर आप कोई V neckline पहनते हो ना so it looks really amazing. Not that I have a heavy bust barely there, but we appreciate what we have. Yeah, I really love it. I think ये small chest और if you have a bigger bust दोनों पे सही लगता है. And we're talking about the dress. I love it and perfect length है. इसके साथ you can wear boots, silver jewelry. Love this. Next up, I got this Empire dress in hand block print and it's a very cutesy dress. अगर आप घर पे किसी दिन chill कर रहे हो, like a Sunday, you're having coffee, balcony में बैठे हो and ऐसा सिर्फ chill अगर आपको करना हो ना, you want something comfortable, आप किसी के घर जा रहे हो and ऐसे relaxed outfit कोई डाल लेना, I think wear this and wear a long neck piece, lightweight कोई neck piece and you're done. Or either small silver earrings will do. I got them in medium size, both of them. So the price range, I think the first Eva Young वो ज़्यादा basic range है and you get a lot of stuff affordable prices पे भी. And second ये जो Tavi brand है, I think it's थोड़ा सा expensive but not that much. If you get 2-3 dresses, you can wear it, re-wear it again and again. You can wear wrap dress को भी आप open करके kimono style में भी पहन सकते हो. There's so much you can do. But last but not the least, don't come at me, ये Shein का alternative नहीं है. But I just wanted to share and talk about this brand. I know this is an expensive brand, but love it. Love the brand, and they recently launched their Bohemian collection. Boho girl sitting right here talking about Boho collection. So the brand is called Rishi and Vibhuti and they have like such pretty lehengas. You have to see their collection Instagram. This is their Instagram and this is what the jacket looks like. Love the fringe detailing and they have like chota gold coins and stuff like that here, tassels. Love the jacket and off-white color hai, so it goes with a lot of stuff. Pura proper Banjaran feels with the western touch. So absolutely love this. That's all that I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so I have lots of stuff in front of me. Let me know if you want to see more hauls or अगर Shein की alternative वाली ऐसी कोई और video भी चाहिए, let me know. And if you know any store, if you have tried products from somewhere, please help everyone out and comment down below. And that's about it. Please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget it. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. ट्रेन आपको अभी आना था.